Adjectives and Adverbs in English. The Ultimate Guide. Introduction. Adjectives and adverbs are fundamental pillars of the English language. They add depth and precision to communication, allowing us to describe characteristics, actions, states, and circumstances with clarity. 1. The role of adjectives and adverbs. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that modify nouns or pronouns, providing information about characteristics such as size, color, shape, quality, quantity, or state. Examples: she has a beautiful voice, the red car is fast. What are adverbs? Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, describing how, when, where, or why something happens. Examples: he runs quickly, she speaks English fluently. 2. Comparative and superlative forms. Comparative form. The comparative form is used to compare two things or people. Short adjectives, one or two syllables, add air, big, bigger. Examples: my house is bigger than yours, this car is faster than that one. Long adjectives, three or more syllables, use more, beautiful, more beautiful. Examples: this painting is more beautiful than the other one, her explanation was more interesting than his. Superlative form. The superlative form is used to highlight something as the biggest, best, or worst within a group. Short adjectives, add est, biggest, biggest. Examples: this is the biggest house I've ever seen, he is the fastest runner in the team. Long adjectives, use most, beautiful, most beautiful. Examples: this is the most beautiful place I've ever visited. It was the most interesting book I've read this year. Irregular examples. Some adjectives and adverbs have irregular comparative and superlative forms. Good, the best. Bad at worst, worst. Far, far, your, fur. Furthest, furthest, furthest. Examples: this pizza is better than the one we had last week. He is the best player on the team. 3. Placement of adjectives and adverbs. Placement of adjectives. Adjectives usually appear before the noun they modify. Examples: a beautiful garden, the tall man. With verbs like be, seem, look, adjectives can appear after the verb. Examples: she looks happy, the food smells delicious. Placement of adverbs. Adverbs of frequency generally appear before the main verb, but after the auxiliary verb. Examples: I always wake up early, she has never been to Japan. Adverbs of manner generally appear at the end of the sentence. Examples: he drives carefully, she sang the song beautifully. Adverbs of place and time can appear at the beginning or end of the sentence. Examples: yesterday, I went to the park, we will meet there. 4. Types of adverbs. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often something occurs. Examples: always, usually, often. Sometimes, rarely, never. Adverbs of manner describe how something is done. They often end in lie. Examples: quickly, slowly, carefully. Adverbs of place indicate where something happens. Examples: here, there, everywhere. Adverbs of time indicate when something happens. Examples: yesterday, today, tomorrow, later. 5. Tips and final considerations. Constant practice. Use comparison and superlative exercises in real-life contexts. Active reading and listening. Observe how adjectives and adverbs are used naturally. Memorize irregulars. Keep a list of irregular adjectives and adverbs for quick reference. Mixed exercise adjectives and adverbs. 1. The weather today is than yesterday. Hot. The weather today is hotter than yesterday. 2. She sings of all the contestants beautifully. She sings the most beautifully of all the contestants. 3. He runs in the morning, often. He runs often in the morning. 4. This is the book I've ever read. Interesting. This is the most interesting book I've ever read. 5. She completed the task than expected, quickly. She completed the task more quickly than expected. 6. My brother is at math than me. My brother is better at math than me. 7. They will meet us tomorrow, there. They will meet us there tomorrow. 8. He drove because the road was icy, carefully. He drove more carefully because the road was icy. 9. This restaurant is than the one we went to last week. Expensive. This restaurant is more expensive than the one we went to last week. 10. She looked after hearing the news, sad. She looked sad after hearing the news. Conclusion. Understanding adjectives and adverbs is key to mastering English communication. By studying these categories and practicing their usage, you'll enhance your ability to express yourself clearly and confidently in English. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, check out the playlist and the website link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. See you in the next lesson.